If your Beats Studio earbuds are not charging, there are several possible reasons for this issue. The earbuds may be experiencing temporary software glitches, or the charging pins in the case, as well as the contacts on the earbuds, may be dirty. Additionally, the earbuds may not be properly placed in the charging case. To resolve these issues, you can try resetting the earbuds by putting them in the charging case. Pressing and holding the system button for about 15 seconds, until the case's LED light flashes white and red. You should also examine the charging pins and contacts for dirt and gently clean them with a toothbrush if necessary. Ensure the earbuds are correctly inserted into the charging case, with the case's charging pins in contact with the earbuds' charging poles. It's also important to properly fit the earbuds into the ear tips and to close the charging case lid before connecting it to a power outlet. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the charging issue with your Beats Studio earbuds.